Random fact. Do you know that Africa produces 70% of the world's chocolate? I just thought about that the other day. 70% of the world's chocolate. So without Africa, we would not have chocolate. I digress. Let's talk Amanda Seales. What do you think about her on The Real? Do you think she's controversial? Or do you love her? Or are you still trying to figure her out? Well, I thought that I would use this platform to be able to share a view that might help some of you understand Amanda Seales. If you're interested in my view as an African woman watching The View, stay tuned. All right, everybody, it's Kadzowe. Let's talk Amanda Seales. Brilliant woman. Her mom is from Grenada. Her dad is African American. She's born in Inglewood, California, and she has a master's degree in African American Studies from Columbia. You're from Columbia University. I mean, that is awesome. And her specialty area was, she specialized in hip hop. So, oh my gosh, guys, she is amazing. But obviously, let's talk about it. I know that ever since she came on the Real, that's for those of you that don't know, I'm very surprised if you don't know, The Real is a talk show of minority women, the first talk show full of minority women that to hit the airwaves. And in that, the women discuss, everyday topics, life. And ever since Amanda Seales came to the show, she has been able to provide a unique perspective that somehow, and in some cases, has had her misunderstood. And so when my friends and I were actually talking about her the other day, because we're avid fans of The View, we've been watching from day one. Oh my gosh, love the show. I thought about, let me bring it out to my viewers. Let me make a video about it. Let's talk Amanda Seales. So if you're interested in our top 3 takes on Amanda, stay tuned. So on January 6th, 2020, Amanda Seales joined The Real, and it was amazing to see her. I know that as somebody who really believes in education, in fact, I started my YouTube channel doing education videos for immigrants and for people who are passionate about growing through education. I love that in addition to Tamara Mowry Housley and Lonnie Love, we were going to have another woman of color who's highly educated talk to us about issues. And so I really want you to remember that when you put things in context, because whenever you have educated minds together that are presenting viewpoints, it is important to listen. And so for those of you that have doubted her, it was really important for me in this channel to also present that background, because that can also help you understand the rhetoric involved with what she talks about in the show. What I love about Amanda Seales, secondly, is that I really think that she challenges us to look at the Black experience in the United States differently. And even as an African who was born and raised in a different culture and immigrated at a much later time, I'm learning something every day when I hear Amanda Seales provide a viewpoint. And I think that's important, because in order for us to have healing, in order for us to have growth, let's not be afraid and let's not fear to be challenged to see something different. And so, it's discouraging sometimes when I see these comments, that, talk about race all the time and all of this stuff. But we exist in a world, especially in the Western world, where that is the predominant lens that a lot of us operate. And sometimes we don't see it. And I love how Amanda Seales can challenge us to be able to look at the Black experience differently. Third reason I love Amanda Seales is that she is not afraid. She doesn't stay in her comfort zone. She's not afraid to make people uncomfortable. And it's really interesting. Even when I went to school, I had professors who would come into class and they would present a viewpoint or encourage a discussion that would get us out of our comfort zone. So what she is saying, if it impacts you and makes you uncomfortable, she's doing her job, guys. That's it. And so for many of you, I want you to go back into your learning days, into your college days, when you were trying to learn something new. When you are uncomfortable, you then are forced to mold yourself to grow into something. And I really think we need to give her a chance, avid viewers of The Real, so that she can be able to allow us and grow with us in our thinking. And she's doing that. She puts in this seed. And then when you actually sit down and you think about it, you're like, yeah, Amanda, you kind of on point, girl. I get it. And last but not least, I know that Amanda Seales will go down in history as a woman who used her voice on a platform to help the world understand the Black experience. Guys, we always assume that people know the Black experience. There are so many people that do not understand the Black experience in America. And so allow Amanda in this space to be able to present that view. And this is one of the reasons why all the ladies embrace her who are veterans of the show. Tamira Mori Housley, when you look at Lonnie Love, Jeannie Mai, and Adrienne, and they are there allowing her to grow into herself and to be able to use her life purpose to be able to help us understand this experience. Everybody has a voice. So it's not really an issue of this person isn't doing this person is too quiet, this and that. It is an issue where these women are getting together and they're each growing into their own. And it's so wonderful to be a part of that experience and to be able to see that. And so, folks, that was my take when it comes to Amanda Seales. Let's talk about it. So if you watch the reel and you are, having conversations and kind of uncomfortable and are experiencing things differently because of the new dynamic, let's talk about it. What do you see that is so great about Amanda Seales being on the show? And what exciting things do you foresee this show in the next 5 to 10 years? So thank you for watching again. And I love doing Ancestry videos, guys. I think it was great that my friends and I had this discussion. And I hope that all of you, my viewers, I know I have about over 5,000 subscribers, that you will be able to tune in back on the show and radiate some positivity for Amanda. So thank you for watching, guys. And remember, when you develop a sense of inner self, then you are able to define and grow your purpose. Until my next video, everybody. Bye.